everything.
What are you zooping, Bippus?
There's a slug on top of this tower. Well, this pillar of rock. Oh no, it's not a slug, it's a mercersphere.
Yeah, that's why I haven't gone after it. Alright.
Ow. Jeez, how far away is the sulfur?
It is not close, and it's not a pure node, which is why we haven't done anything about piping it back.
Was there no closer sulfur?
I went to the closest one that pings for me.
Hmm.
Alright.
What is happening? I can't place tube.
I don't know. What is happening?
It's still that thing that it was doing to you yesterday with conveyors.
Oh, where it just would not build at all?
Yeah, like I'm clicking and dragging the tube over, and then I click to place it, and nothing happens. Did it just eventually stop doing that for you?
Yeah. I was going to ask a stupid question, but you're not trying to build a segment of tube out into the forest, are you?
What do you mean?
I'm seeing some really weird shit right now on my end.
Oh no, that's no P, not me. It's the server. Thing's fine. I'm trying to put it right where. Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
Yay!
That's a bit odd.
Ah!
Oh no. Are you okay, chunk friend?
Yeah? Yeah? Oh, there's a big chungus down there. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Excuse me, pardon me. How could you stop ramming me, please? I do not care for your petty squabbles.
Chungus says no. Is this where you put the Nobelisk bomb factory on our last save?
Here? No. I don't think so.
It kind of feels
This
familiar.
This asshole might kill me. I don't think it's the same spot.
It's more than just him.
Where did these guys come from?
Oh, I meant to get coal whilst I was over there. Yeah, whatever. Also, I have pinged a sulfur that's half the distance away. Is the
Then
tube
go.
safe?
Retrieve the sulfur. Sure, why not?
Okay.
I mean, you're wearing Blade Runners, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fine.
You have full health?
Yeah.
Okay, you're fine.
You'll be
can't
okay.
die. We researched yesterday. If you're wearing Blade Runners and have full health, you will not die from fall damage under any circumstances.
Oh, good to know.
Literally, we started experimenting with hyper cannons, and I'm just like, I launched straight up, and then came down and lived on 1 HP. That is by design.
That's very chunk. We're playing. We just started experimenting.
Let's see if this is gonna be too tight a turn.
God, those machines are so loud.
Oh yeah, that's not gonna work.
No. Would you be better off? Would you be better off cutting the corner and like cutting it short where it is and anchoring to the underside of that last one down to where I am?
Well, what I want to try to do is make it actually go around this corner. Like, specifically, I want to make it go around the corner.
Oh, you want to specifically make that turn, like that 90 degree.
Yeah.
That radius may be too narrow for it. Oh, that's going to be fucking nauseating when you're in the tube. I can't wait.
Hang on, that's the wrong spot. That actually needs to be right there.
It doesn't like it, but it'll do it.
Oh, yeah. That shit. Oh, I don't have full health.
Oh, fuck. Do I need to come get you?
Yep.
Suggestion, if you're going to make it follow that path, like, down exactly the way it is, place your wall supports first.
I might not. I might make it go straight down.
Welcome back, sir.
That's gonna be a pain.
Would you like some, would you like some bacon shrooms?
Yes, because I have literally no food.
Hello.
Bacon.
Welcome to Hranvar po Gwingith go get it
Bacon
Gwynthropos
replaces coffee.
City go.
Yeah, I'll just let the rest regen.
Thank you for the follow. Welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, let me refresh again.
Whoop. Welcome to Satisfactory time.
That's Twitch and YouTube both back
Is that
up.
oh, that's a Bob. Okay, I was like, what is that damn noise? So,
Bob.
are you going to cut it in that corner and just start coming straight down?
What I'll probably do. Valid aim location. What do you mean invalid aim location? What do you think I'm aiming at?
I don't know, but we need to get rid of that right there, because that's where they're coming from.
Get rid of what?
That extension of the foundation. Ow.
Ow.
You're not dead again, are you?
No, that was not as long a fall. Also, the first time I fell, I had like 4 bars.
Hey, assholes. Sir, I must request one thing from you, though. If we're gonna
What would that be?
if we're gonna stand here and ponder how to build this, you need to have your coffee out.
Oh, I'm not pondering it also.
Okay, I thought you were pondering. I was gonna say you're violating coffee drinking rules. Also, your skin colors didn't apply.
Is my helmet gold?
Yeah, I thought you had slightly different colors on your suit, though.
My chest is a little more gold than normal. That's about it.
Okay, subtle. Okay. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're gonna have to put a decent amount of cannons on this end to overcome the straight up right there. Of course, and again, it's just a matter of blueprints, isn't it?
Yep. Can't see where that's turning.
What's our
to.
power doing?
It's doing something.
Did we get Caterium set up?
No.
No, but there is a node right near us. I marked it. You can see on your compass.
Yep. That'd be the one that had the rock on it.
No, that had iron. The iron node next to it had a rock on it.
Oh, because there was one that was closer that had a rock on it.
I'm not entirely sure that the rock did not, quote, spontaneously move at some point. That just seems a little glitchy. Yeah, rock quartz. Whoops, that was a miss.
Brown tube.
Damn it. It's going to take the ramp up. I'm eager to test it going back the other way, sir. How long before the launcher is up? Don't you have a blueprint for that?
The blueprint is for way more than I have the material for.
Ah.
In fact, I need. Can I make?
What do you need?
Steel beams in the deck crafter?
Oh, I don't think so. Wait, maybe. I don't know. We're getting to the point where stuff. Oh, that's a whole lot of sulfur right there.
Balls.
Yeah, I put that there so that other people could make.
Why am I being phone called?
explosives without having to run all the way over to the sulfur. Big bum.
Wrong number. I actually only have the resources to make 5 entrances here. Here, 4.
It's fine.
That chargy boy did quite the somersault when I killed him.
I've seen a couple really weird things happen with them.
Oh, Jesus, what? It didn't like the angle. Oh. No. I made it dumb. There we go. Oh, what the hell? Let me try that again. Oh, that's annoying. You can't get out?
You what?
I can't get out of the tube.
Why is your marker dead person?
Oh, that happens.
Yeah, that. Don't be too concerned about that. That's fine.
Okay.
Let me try getting out this end. I may need to leave some kind of gap.
Hello, Venice.
Hello.
Welcome to our stairs. Yeah, what you
Can
need?
you disconnect the cannon at the factory end from power?
Done.
Let's see if I can get. I might need to leave a gap. It's just bouncing me back out.
Oh, that's not fun.
A question about these stairs.
Yes.
I can't slide down them.
I bet that hurts your butt, but yeah, you can.
It's fine. It looks totally normal as well.
Yeah, it makes getting onto this floor right here a little more natural feeling. Now, Ben, I have a question for you. Where you at?
Setting up Caterium.
Ah, well,
Because then we can get Mark II power poles.
fair enough. But I need your opinion on something here.
Let me just build the That's not how that works.
I already know which one I like better. Chonk, do you have a... I know you're probably going to say you don't care, but in case you do have a preference.
What am I evaluating, sir?
These railings.
Hey, I don't really have a preference. Railings look nice.
I kind of like the one here because when you go up the whole stairs with it, it makes one connected piece instead of ending every so often like this one does.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that would be better. Oh, let me see if I can get out this way. You know, I just built them wrong. This is how it's supposed to be done. I forgot. You gotta leave a person-sized gap. That's gonna be annoying. I gotta run the whole way back to the coal power to disconnect the other cannon.
That's not what I told you to do, game.
Ah! I was tricked.
By what? The building hologram?
Yeah.
The tube to coal power is now open.
Excellent.
Yeah.
It'd be faster, but I'll need to make production of encased industrial beams. Tube. All right. How are we doing on power? We're doing all right. Although a lot of machines aren't running right now.
Yeah, we have an awful lot of idle.
All right, which two iron miners? These two. Iron coal.
It's a little doggo. Where should I put a Caterium thing on the floor?
Do we want it on the subfloor or the floor?
Are you're smelting the Caterium there, right? We're at the miner.
Yep, I'm currently got at the end of a conveyor belt that has Caterium ingots on it, but they need to be turned into cables to be useful.
Well,
And later,
what I
other
would
things.
actually have suggested was build a small floor where the Caterium is being mined, and turn it
Yeah.
into wire there,
Okay.
and then bring the wire to the main floor. Because I believe there's nothing else the Caterium gets turned into. It's just quick wire, isn't it?
I think there may be some one-off, like, oddball recipes that can go in, like alternates.
Oh, is this an impure node? That's a normal node. That sucks. Can only output 150 a minute. Trash.
Okay. That actually is extremely useful. Although I did mess up in a couple spots. Oh, I got going in reverse with my pattern right here is what happens. Huh. It's almost like they meant for things to be built like that.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Bipass?
Neat.
It at least gives you a way to walk around the damn machines.
This freaking power plant has stolen one of my overclocks.
How
It won't
rude
give
of
it back. And then there's one that won't let me put an extra one in it.
That's odd.
All right, with our current pipe infrastructure, the coal power plants are now maxed out without adding more plants. So we've got a little bit of a higher ceiling.
All right. Where are you bringing the Caterium in, Ben?
By the first iron nodes that we used, that something sticking out the cliffside there.
Oh, I see your icon now. Gotcha. All right, so we have steel production up and running. What is... Are we going to belt the steel back along this road, or this foundation road?
Maybe, probably, most likely. Do we have wall conveyors yet?
Logistics. Yes, we have ceiling mounts and wall mounts. Ceiling mounts will hang underneath the foundations. Or wall mounts may be just as easy. Depends on how annoyingly fancy you feel like getting with things. And I mean annoying as in construction terms, not like annoying to us. You can't get rid of those.
You can get rid of anything with explosives.
Not true.
Real life it is. I have no idea where you want the Caterium to go.
I suppose put it along the edge we're not using, past copper.
Past copper, okay.
Yeah.
Oop.
No, that's too close.
That's what it would look like on the side, Mr. Chunk.
not build that?
I mean, either way. As long as it's not on the road.
Probably should build it on the other side of the road, though, so it's not running through the hypertube.
Oh, so...
Let's see. I should go pick up the parts I need for conveyor belt Mark III, because if we do not want to Mark II that. Which it turns out to be, I need a bunch of steel beams and a bunch of plate. Where might you be storing your steel beams at?
Check one of these 2 giant boxes here. My inventory's also in there.
Ah. Thank you, sir. Alright. I'm going to go back to base and start it back this way so that by the time I get back, you'll have figured out how you want to route it to the ramp from your containers. Do we want this going straight onto the main floor or into the subfloor?
Probably subfloor.
Okay. Goodness, you destroyed my stairs.
Yeah, well, they were in the way.
You know we have conveyor belt floor holes now, right?
Yeah, but I was trying to keep it in line with what Chonk had done. Oh, I'm like 4 iron plates short. Eh.
Why? Why do you have to be such a pain in the ass? All right, how far can I stretch this before it says conveyor belts is too long? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 maybe? Now, how did it do that?
Magic.
Must be. It just randomly replaced my wall mounts with floor holes on the hotbar. Three, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 5, 6. Six. Five, 6. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, new buildings.
Yes.
Mark 2 unlocked.
What were
Power
we-
poles Mark II.
Connections.
Oh, thank God.
Power pole Mark 1.
You can call her Bippus.
Never.
Biffus is God!
No, absolutely not.
Zipline unlocked. When equipped, the zipline facilitates travel along power lines, regardless of whether the line is powered.
Ah, yes, the worthless
Based
transportation
on previous
tool.
Pioneer
1,
events,
2,
Fixit
Can be useful.
recommends not using ziplines during thunderstorms and typhoons, or while drinking coffee.
Why can't I drink coffee and zipline? Fix it.
Right.
AI limit.
I'm being oppressed.
Why does Fixit think they're the boss of us?
Need plastic
They
for
are.
that shit. I need to go find some mycelium. No, I was gonna get sulfur next. That's what I was gonna do.
6.
Hoppara.
All right.
No.
It's a little odd looking, but I've got steel and steel beam and steel pipe storage set up. Proximity to the power plant was a little bit annoying, so the one of the stacks is sideways to the other.
Well, as long as it works, I suppose.
Yep.
Alright, I'm just about here with the conveyor. The question now is how do we want to bring it down from up here?
Convey it till it gets to just above the tube. Shit, hang on. I mean, really, it should come down to the floor right about here where I'm standing, which is almost in line with the bottom of the ramp. Just bring it all the way down to the bottom of the ramp.
Okay. Easy enough. Well, not really, but I have an idea.
What do the Mark II power poles require?
Aren't they quick wire?
Quick wire rods
Yep.
and concrete. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna need to come steal a bunch of quick wire.
It's been put in the box at the end of copper, like you asked.
Oh, how do we unlock? Do we have to get more tickets to get the Mark II wall stuffs?
Probably.
I believe so, yeah.
The important thing with this conveyor diamond is do not put it under the floor.
Under the floor?
Do not put it under the floor.
You mean under the foundation floor
Yeah.
that you're running on right now?
No, the floor the power's on.
Oh, no, I'm not going to do that.
It'll just have to go over top of it.
No, I'm going to... The easiest thing to make all this mess is I'm going to duck it under this and attach it to the far side of this, to the ramp, instead of trying to make all these fucking turns.
Yeah. What I mean is that when it gets down to here, it cannot go under because it'll be in the way of any coal we may need to get to the power plants. So do you want one line for beams and pipes, or are you going to lay a second one?
Who, me?
Yeah.
These should be stackable, aren't they?
I don't know. Have you tried yet?
Not yet. We're going to find out, sir.
They don't appear to be.
Really?
Yeah, I'm trying to stack a few different things on them here. Nothing's happening.
Did that work? Did I?
Oh, damn it.
Suppose this is only an impure sulfur node. But then the question is, do we need
so I'm
sulfur
not
for
gonna do much
anything
of it.
more than explosives?
Not right now. We will eventually. Can that quick wire production be overclocked?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go bring some to it.
I think it's
So
only
you
on
don't
Mark
have any?
II belts too, so I didn't have any steel on me.
That will immediately be resolved. Ow. Follow the yellow brick road. This is a very baby conveyor belt.
Which one is?
The quick wire. Just kind of meanders. How do I go up? Focus. Around to the right.
Mm-hmm.
I need a couple more iron rods.
Oh, hello, big boy. Where did you come from and where did you go? And why is your name Cotton Eye Joe? You under
There we
here?
go. 150 quick wire per minute.
Nice, nice, nice.
I have no idea where the angry stompy boy went. Oh, he's stuck in that rock. He launched out of that rock and still hurt me? Okay.
This miner's not even fully overclocked. The smelter is. Pippus, do you mind if I rebuild your quick wire setup?
Nope.
I'm gonna add a second smelter to it. Oh, is my inventory full of shit again? Yes, it is. What do I get rid of? Oh. Kateri more. Sure. Bye. 2 encased industrial beams.
Hey, Mystic, yes, we have tubes.
Hey, Mystic.
Whoops. Stop that. Smell.
All right. Huh, yeah, no, it will not stack these. That is annoying. Won't stack those either. What else needs to come here aside from the steel pipes?
Steel beams.
I wonder something. Let me see. Oh, God. Ow. That's one way it could be done right there, Looney.
But
Have a small wall along the side. Then I can place more conveyor wall belts above it.
yeah, yeah.
That's really gonna make me wish I had a fucking jetpack, though. Hey, look, there's one really easy way to do it.
Okay, this is obnoxious. It's doing this fucking smelter's doing the same thing the power plants were. It's not letting me mess with the power shards. Bibis, where
What?
are you?
Fighting things.
Ah.
Chunk friends.
Bot.
Could I, in theory, make in the blueprint maker, like... Well, maybe I need to learn to use the blueprint maker myself. I'm just thinking about making my life easier. Like, could I do, like... That... And then... Can I store that as a blueprint and then just use that to make this whole fucking thing?
Yeah.
Okay, how do...
I would just label it as like conveyor wall or something.
Alright. Blueprints. Alright, so... Let's get rid of that last piece. So... Oh, that did not do what I wanted it to do.
What?
That...
That's not you.
That may have been me.
Oh. No, I'm trying to open a shipwreck.
Oh, or you're blowing the grid on a couple of biogenerators.
Yes, I need more biogenerators. I don't know if I have enough. I don't have enough iron to make more. That will have to be another thing. A day of another thing. That one, because that needs 100 megawatts.
Jesus.
I mean, that's just 2 overclocked biogenerators.
Yeah, I just don't have any overclocks on me. And only enough materials for one. Oh, worm. Slug, I should say. Give me the slug.
Okay, I'm gonna relog real quick
Okay.
because it's still not letting me put overclocks in that smelter.
That's a strange glitch.
Hmm.
There we go. That did fix it. Which means I also need to go back out to the power plant and finish overclocking it. Okay, making 49.8 deuterium ingots per minute.
Oh, bees. Fuck off.
Ah!
Ah?
Why does nobody install safety railings on these goddamn things? Oh, wait, because that would be my job and I suck at it.
Oh boy, that's my face. Eh.
Your face, you say.
Yes, it was on fire.
Ah.
There we go. Your dramatic death was very informative. Thank you. I know that you died. Ooh, explosive rebar.
Yeah, I very much am interested in trying that. This is nice, but holy fuck does it eat through resources quick. You able to interact with the power plants properly, Chunk?
I haven't been back out there yet.
Or overclocking, sorry.
I'm still working on finishing up the Caterium plant. Or quick wire manufacturing.
Gotcha.
I was trying to go bigger with it, but it's a normal node, so we can only put 2 smelters and 2 constructors on it. All right. We are pumping out 248.4 quick wire per minute.
Nice. What are you cackling about?
Cackling at Bappas.
Explosive rebar.
Is it useful?
No.
I've seen people one-shotting the explosive plants with it instead of the poison plants instead of having to waste Nobelisk on it. So yeah, I'd say it probably could be
Yeah.
pretty useful.
I suppose, yeah. The big fire spitter guy took 3 of them to die.
I mean, that's actually not that bad.
Yeah.
Are you having fun, Spaghetti Bot?
I mean, if you want to fix this up, I'm just trying to...
Oh no, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna be able to do any fucking better, bud.
I mean,
I hate it as much as you do.
I'm doing the best I can, but...
Okay, but do you have to leave the leaves here?
I mean...
I can't pick them up. My inventory is too full.
There. Are you happy now?
Yes. Alright, which fucking generators is it? 165, 165, 165.
The hope is that once I get the blueprint building from here, it'll stop acting so fucking weird. Oh, except it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to snap to the angle. Can those not do? Those have to be able to do wall angles. No, are you fucking kidding me?
Oops.
All right, well then we're absolutely spaghetti botting this shit up the wall.
What's
I mean,
wrong with it?
they won't the walls that I was using on the flat, they don't angle. They won't attach to this ramp.
Oh, yeah, that they're you made them flat, so they're gonna be flat.
Now, but I mean, like, even if I try to place one manually, it will not snap to the ramp.
They never done that.
Yeah.
It is. They're sniping to the ramp. The sides of them.
He wants it to be diagonal.
Oh yeah,
Like
it
with
is
the
never done
rails.
that.
Yeah.
You stick a big fat wall on it and strap your things to that.
Could use thicker foundations underneath.
Or
Oh, yeah, yeah.
damn it, it's too long.
Yeah, I was gonna say you could go up like right there.
Too
Or is it? What's it saying there?
too steep, too long. Right there, right where I've got it.
Look.
I think I can.
You could lift it straight up.
Yeah, that's true.
Can I borrow you for a sec though?
Sure.
I need you to try putting overclocks in one of these coal power plants. Because I still can't. I'm gonna drop you a stack. This one? Yeah, this one. It needs 2 put in it.
Which one? This one?
This one. Yeah.
It has 2 in it.
What?
Yeah.
Can you set it to 165% then, please?
Done.
The fuck is that?
Would you like your power shards back?
Yes, please, sir. Thank you. I don't see... I see it clocked to 165. No? Now I see it clocked to 100 again. What is happening? Alright, encased industrial beams. What are encased industrial beams made from?
Concrete.
Oh, we have to unlock advanced steel production first to get them.
Yup.
We can't make them yet. Alright, I'm gonna go set up production of rotors and frames then. Although realistically, that we're gonna need that production. So. And go ahead and drop the pipe in there. Frames are
Junk.
what? Plate and rod?
Oh.
Modular frame, yeah. Reinforced iron plate and rods. Good thing we have a ton of reinforced iron plate.
Presents for junk.
Thank. And then rotors are just rods and screws. All right. Get my brain wrapped around this mess.
Does anybody have any plate on them that's close to me?
Nope.
I can come back probably. What exactly do you need?
Let's see some regular iron plate so I can finish this out. I'm like 1 section away from the end. I mean, I can go down into the factory and just yoink some iron and make it myself.
Nah, I'm on the way. Gas masks. Good job,
Research
Bibbus.
completed. Gas mask and filter.
Look at
unlocked.
Bibbus being
The
productive.
cellular fabric is
Yay!
highly absorbent, making it more effective at toxic gas filtration than the standard issue Pioneer helmet. A pleasant pine scent is included. Gas filters require regular
pine.
replacement for optimal safety.
Hello.
Hello.
1 stack enough?
We'll find out. I think it should be.
Are you hiding the mess on the other side of the wall?
Well, this is also the only way I could make it properly stack the conveyor belts.
Ah, yes. Here, hang on. I'll leave you a second stack just in case.
Thanks.
Since I'm going back to the factory anyway.
Appreciate it. This was less about hiding the mess than about actually being able to pipe the mess where we want it to go in the first place.
Meow.
But in the end, it does work. It's bringing the steel tubing and the steel bars to the main factory. So that's all I really care about. It's a hot mess to look at, but it gets the shit there.
Oh yeah, need to stop feeding the quartz into the sink for a while.
Oh, yeah.
We need it now. Things must be labeled.
Well, I have signs, I think.
Yeah, we do. We do. That's what I'm saying. It's gotta stop.
Whoop.
So we can build up. I've disconnected the sink. From the container, that is. And the container can just hold the quartz for now. Are we making screws as fast as we can here? Probably not.
Considering there's 2 fabricators that are just making rod that isn't going anywhere.
Well, those are gonna go for the frames and rotors.
I knew Chonk had a plan.
There are 4 constructors for screws. And I'm pretty sure they can go faster. Because I want to just branch off the belt that's coming out of the container of screws. I'm just trying to visualize this before I start building it. Ugh. How long till we get hover packs?
I don't know. I really miss mine.
Yeah, because I'm going to have to convey some shit under this subfloor. Does it automatically build ceiling mounts?
It will, if it's running the right direction, yeah.
Yeah, well, okay, I see. I'm gonna expand the subfloor a bit. Time to go chop some more trees.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I missed that jump by just a little bit. For God's sakes.
Too far. Are you stealing plate, Bevis?
Yes.
How dare you? What for?
Conveyor belting some sulfur to
You
the coal plant.
go get steel. We have lots of steel beam down there you can use for Mark III conveyors.
Okay.
Mark IIs will just have to be upgraded at some point. Thank you for your cooperation.
Shock Industries thanks you for your cooperation in this very serious matter.
Alright, we are producing modular frames. 3 reinforced iron plate per minute. How many reinforced iron plate are we making per minute? 10 per minute. How many rods does this constructor make per minute? 15 per minute. Alright, we are now producing 5 modular frames per minute. Rotor production. You need to be a faster conveyor belt. Which means this guy needs to be a faster conveyor belt.
Excuse me, Bob, you're in the way. Thank you.
Our alternate rotor recipes are actually kind of interesting.
How many do we have now?
We have 2 alternates. One uses copper sheet and screws. And the other uses copper wire and steel tubes. Steel pipe.
Interesting.
I mean, I'm just going to use the basic one, but...
Right, but
The one with steel pipe and copper wire is actually faster if we ever have a need to massively quickly output steel rotor. It's 3 seconds faster. 15 versus 12.
Oh, I put that the wrong way around. That's why you're not clipping right.
Chunk, I have constructed a thing.
Okay, what have you constructed?
I have constructed a covered modular walkway that has two conveyor belts on one side and power and a hypertube on the other.
Neat.
There we go.
I'm not happy with the roof.
I mean, that's pretty fucking cool, bud.
What?
The whole thing.
Yeah, I mean, that would just allow us to just expand it. The only thing I'm concerned about is whether or not the hypertube sections would link up properly.
Doubt. Well, hang on. How does it... Is it a connection on one end and no connection on the other?
I don't understand hypertubes well enough to know. I just put wall supports.
That's what I mean. One end needs to be just the tube bare ending without a wall support.
So
I assume.
So kind of like that. The only thing
As far as I can tell, that's how it should work.
the only thing I could do is save the blueprint and
Go build it.
yeah.
All right, that's connected. We should now be producing rotors.
There's now a sulfur line going to the corner of the coal platform. Just to a box at the moment in the very corner. But I believe...
Don't take that blueprint down yet, guys, in case I need to tweak it.
Okay.
What's it under? Yeah, it's plastic. That was... Thing?
Making 7.48 rotors per minute.
Compacted coal unlocked. It is physically smaller and more powerful, but its carbon footprint remains enormous. This can be used in coal-powered generators and vehicles.
I made a thing. I don't know. I did a thing. I don't know if it's a good thing. Gas mask. What do I need? Copper sheet.
Oh yeah, I'm carrying 3 hard drives. I need to research those.
Yeah.
Snapping that's going to be a pain in the ass, bud.
It's actually not...
For
once
me-
you get... There we go.
Okay.
Oh, I am 1 fabric short.
Now,
Right.
the question is, did those hypertubes connect? It looks like they did.
You do have a slight elevation issue.
Yeah.
Let
I
me
could
grab
snap
an
the-
entrance off this thing and try it real quick before you pull it down.
I could snap the hypertube to the top side of this. You think that would work better?
I mean, it just literally just needs to go up 1. Let's see here. Entrance. Power. It's your creation. You get in it, bud.
Ah!
So what you may want to do, make the tube end a little bit sooner than the edge on one end.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just manually connect them.
Yeah. Now, my other question is, I want to look at the conveyors and make sure they connected, and I'm betting the power lines didn't connect like I want them to either. Nope. They did not. Alright. Got to go back to the drawing board on this, but I want to see if I can make this work, because this is a potentially very useful idea. Like, if we could just have a blueprint that just builds us the fucking walkway with everything we need attached to it.
Oh, yeah. Bippus,
Yes.
this container is no longer for things being synced.
Okay.
Or we can reroute the quartz. Because we need the quartz. That's what I'll do. I'll reroute the quartz to a separate container. I'll put the container into the sink. Could you not sink useful things, Bippus? She's got 74 encased industrial beam, 15 heavy modular frame, 17 stators, 19 computers, Bippus.
Well, I
Bippus.
need another. I need somewhere to dump it, so it's not crowding my inventory.
Not the awesome sink, 65 aluminum sheet.
It's just shit I picked up from. What's the word? Shipwrecks.
If I did a support with a little bit of tube coming out of it, you think that would connect properly, Looney?
Maybe, I don't know. I feel like it's probably just not going to auto-connect the way we want it to.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Down,
Yeah.
Bippus.
Yes.
Why are you dead?
At the bottom of a cliff. I went to the quartz production and went along the cliff towards the waterfall and fell off. And didn't have full health.
You know what? Still, even if we had to go through and connect some stuff manually, this is a whole lot... There'd be a whole lot less work than just building all this by hand.
I'm coming, Bibbus.
Yay!
Did you intentionally jump off this cliff?
No, I was gonna try and Skyrim down, but then
There's
like,
water down there.
yeah.
How do you get back up?
Uh, build a ramp.
Do I have the mats for that? Let me go get more plate. Actually. How do my inventory open? Ish. Actually, wait. Just respawn. Keep equipment is on. So you'll have your labor runners, and you can just jump off the cliff and get your stuff yourself. Dime, do you mind if I disassemble your giant wrap?
Not really. I was hoping to get to build height, though.
Okay, well, I'll leave it.
I mean, we've
I'm
got.
just looking for a quick way to get some plate.
Well, let me see if I can get it to build height. We got to be close.
Problem is that chunk I don't respawn on full health. I need food.
Since I rescued those encased industrial beams from being put down, I can expand the cannon. Damn evil Dippus.
Do we have anywhere where plate is just being stored?
No.
No, wait. Once I get done with the ramp, I'll be able to give you guys a whole lot back.
Glorious Mark II power poles.
I think the end of this thing is finally in sight. Yes.
Alright, the tube down to coal power now moves at an acceptable speed.
Oh, boy.
Could still be faster, but it's not slow anymore. Ah, balls. I need rotors.
What a thrill. Reach the maximum world height. Working on that. Also, there's an achievement to build 5,000 foundations. They're mocking you, Chunk. Damn it, business.
What?
Why have I not reached maximum world height yet?
Because maximum
Ow,
world height is
ow,
long.
ow.
Wait. Is that maximum world height there you found?
Does it hurt?
Yes! I just hit the edge of the kill plane. But no Chivo.
Huh.
Alright, fine. Oh, you guys are you son of a bitch. Nah, you know what? I'm just going to leave this thing.
There we go. Now we can get between the two areas fast. Seems like if you slide jump into the entrances, you do go faster. Sweet.
Oh, God.
Bippus.
Oh, boy.
Bippus.
Oh,
Yes.
boy.
Did you put this box of sulfur here?
Oh, boy.
Which box?
There's a box of sulfur by the cloak plant.
Oh, boy.
The little one or the big one?
Oh, God.
There's a little one.
Yes, I put both of them. The little one was just
Why?
because I walked over there with 400 sulfur. I didn't feel like carrying it around, so plunked it there so everyone else who wanted to make black powder could easily.
I mean, you conveyed to it though. You could have gone to the floor.
So bad things happen to me.
Yeah. I mean, it's fine. You're in the water.
I lost my cyber wagon.
Is that really a loss?
Did you try to do some stupid Cybertruck owner shit?
Yeah, I did. I tried to drive it down that big ramp.
How'd it go? Did your trailer hitch fall off?
No, but it only turns one direction, so...
Oh, hello, big angry thing. I didn't see you there. I'll just swim over here then. Ooh, hello, slug. Oh, you didn't spawn in until I was right in your face.
What was it, a panel in Star Citizen?
Just as deadly as one. Well, no, it's probably less deadly than one, actually.
Right.
Just a fire boy. Ha! Explosive rebar to the rescue. I am now out of explosive rebar. This makes me sad. Oh, this needs in case. Ooh, gas obelisk. Oh, Tazik's cut in case. Do you have enough? Oh, yeah. I love it when the drop pods have the things they need to open them just scattered around.
Right. See, that's where all the useful stuff comes from, Bibis. We need useful stuff. Please.
Okay, I won't chuck it anymore into the awesome sink box. I'll just create a random shit box and dump it in there.
Ah, right. Hard drive is done. Iron alloy ingots. 8 iron and 2 copper makes 15 ingots in a foundry. Fused wire. 4 copper and 1 caterium makes 30 wire. Rescan?
Rescan.
Bolted frames. 3 reinforced plate. 56 screws to make 2 frames, 5 per minute. Wet concrete.
Oh, well, that's two big flamey boys.
Oh, let's go with the bolted
Okay, yeah,
frame.
no, I'm not gonna deal with that. Oh, look, I've got the marker for the
And
Cybertruck.
then slap another hard drive in it. Oh yeah, I need to make a sign hotbar. Where's signs at? I forgot.
Well, I didn't intend to go on an adventure today, chat, but we be adventuring.
Ah, okay. We don't have the big Chungus signs yet.
No, I don't think we have the absolutely massive ones yet.
Bob, save me from the fire spitter.
Oh, somebody's been here.
That was me a second ago.
Yes, exactly. 1 second ago.
Yes.
Turn around. She's behind you.
No, she's not.
Waiting. Watching.
Shia LaBeouf.
I don't think I... You say that, I think... Well, no, I think I can get coal in this direction too.
Button push.
Push button.
Nice.
Milestone reached. The miner Mark II allows extraction
Mark
of
II
resources
miners.
to fix it at
Hell
20%
yeah.
of the Mark I model. Miners can be directly upgraded to Mark II without removing the Mark I model, just like conveyor belts and other upgradable infrastructure. Unfortunately, setting up the production of advanced steel parts and project part number 3, automated wiring, will not be as easy. Every moment you delay reduces the chances of saving humanity. I will not show you the predictions, it would only demotivate you.
Well, that sounds horrible. I don't want to be demotivated.
Oh wait, can I make encased industrial? Yes, I can make encased industrial beam by hand now. Hell yeah!
The fuck do you mean the player is in the way, game?
They're talking about you, Dimebot.
Even though he wasn't in the way.
Wah!
Let's go for a lovely, leisurely Sunday swim.
Oh yeah, I need to select a new milestone.
I've been playing for 2 hours. No harm in having a fresh sip of fix-it bottled water.
Expanded power infrastructure is all I got left. That will be easy.
There we go. I'm almost home.
Immigration. Did you enjoy your haphazard adventure?
No, but you'll enjoy the fruits of my my adventure. I bring you 5 blue slugs, 1 purple slug, and 4 yellow slugs.
Nice.
$18 power shards. Oh, and I also came back with a bunch of various materials that I'm going to keep on me so that Bendis can't sink them.
Good choice, sir.
Ah, yes, the gigantic sign costs 10 tickets. I only have 4 on me.
Gigantic signs are where the fun begins with signs.
This is true, but I do not have enough tickets for one, sir.
That's fair. Well, go get Meg. She can get some tickets pretty easily.
I am sad we didn't get to go to the arcade. It looked fun.
Yeah, did something happen to this conveyor? I don't see the steel beam coming anymore.
I'm going to investigate now. It's just stopped here. Oh, that's the hard drive. Looks like these sections of conveyor just didn't connect.
Weird. Alright.
Here it comes.
The ma'am has got alternate steel cast plate, 1 iron, 1 steel for 3 iron plate, 45 per minute. An alternate pipe, 20 iron ingots for 5 steel pipes.
Ooh, that's interesting. Grab that.
Do I not have an item searcher?
What'd you say, Rippus?
I don't have an item scanner.
Oh. You should remedy that.
I should.
You should find some Sam while you're out there.
I'll see if I can.
For a second there, I thought you said sand, and I'm like, why?
I am in the desert biome.
First thing we're gonna do with the steel when it gets here, or the steel beams, is make encased industrial beam production. I'll reroute the concrete into a new container that will just have a floor hole.
All right. There. I have fixed that which had been destroyed and did not replace.
What?
That staircase you took out.
Oh yeah, because it was in the way of the other thing.
So we want expanded power now?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
that's our next milestone, so...
Oh, it's still telling me select, so sorry.
Oh, that's weird. It's
Yeah.
already chose it.
Oh, well, I could probably get the giant signs here real quick. I didn't realize that there's a whole bunch of alien parts in the... There we go. To the sink. Goddamn, or not. Need 3 more tickets.
Tickets, please! Games. Might be able to go get the frames we need out of the box. Some of them. Not enough yet. I can guarantee you got the wire we need. Just gonna go yank some of it out of the constructors that aren't making it right now. Because the cable box is full.
Whee! And that is full of quick wire. Grab a stack or 2 of that real quick.
Good to have for the Mark II power pulse. My last... Oh, you're already researching a hard drive. Cool.
Yep. Oh, speaking of, come here.
What?
Right as you went off the edge. Just stay right there. Whee! Hello. Ah! Let me up. Oh, god damn it. Here. Huh.
Thank.
Alright, so that's the rotors. And that's the modular frame production. Gotcha. And you've got that running fully optimized, huh?
Pretty much, yeah.
I mean, most of that line is blue.
It's going as fast as it can. Yes, because I don't... Typically, I'll underclock the machines to get them at the right speeds if we
Right.
can't go faster. Just so we're not wasting power. I'm going to have to reconfigure your conveyor at the opposite end of the power plant. Just a little.
Okay, do what you need to.
Well, it's just the way you brought them onto the floor, because we're going to have to expand the coal power plant.
Okay.
It's gotta get longer. But first, need to figure out where I'm putting encased industrial beams.
Well, is it finally time to bring something up onto the main floor?
Yep. Okay, there's some kind of issue with your conveyor thing doesn't automatically connect.
It looked like
You'll
it
have
was.
to. Well, visually it is. Mechanically, it's not. You'll probably have to do what I suggested with the tubes. Make them a little bit shorter than they need to be on one end, and then just manually connect each segment.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna pull the conveyor and relay it manually, as long as the poles are there.
Way ahead of you.
We should be good. I've replaced all these sections.
Alright, let's see here. For the sake of avoiding going through the subfloor, in case industrial beams can be manufactured over here, I'll bring the concrete up through the main floor, because this... Well... Shit, hang on. Well, the subfloor can't really expand that way very far. Oh.
Ah,
Ah! I tripped over my own tube.
good job, buddy.
Alright, what do we get? Iron alloy ingot, stitched iron plates. Iron alloy ingots, 8 iron ore, 2 copper for 15 iron. Stitched iron plates are 10 iron plates, 20 wire for 3 reinforced plates. Sounds like a rescan to me.
Yep.
Curiosity
Additional
killed the
inhaler
cat.
Recipe unlocked. Using this inhaler will restore health and also gives your skin a radiant glow that's
Oh.
connected to well-being and probably not radioactivity.
Okay, then.
Well, encased industrial pipe. We make encased industrial beams with steel pipe instead of steel beams.
Interesting.
Or cheap silica. 3 quartz, 5 concrete to make 7... Or sorry, 5 limestone to make 7 silica. What's the recipe for? Hang on. Oh, encased industrial beams. 3 steel beams, 6 concrete makes 1. Oh. Okay. Oh, there we go.
You okay there?
Yeah, I had to figure out how to get back to the hard drive that we had already scanned. Goes into the library. One more hard drive scan. All right.
Wonder what would happen if we tried to scan Venice.
Horrible things, I'm sure.
You want to know the secrets of bipping?
I don't think there
Where?
really are any secrets.
I went on an adventure, Chunk, so I bought you presents.
Thank. 21 shards. I'm up to 60 now.
There's also a box of the random shit I picked up by the ma'am.
Thank
What
you.
kind
I
of
wonder.
random shit did you pick up, oh Bippy One?
2 more hard drives, 18 rotors, 50 motors, 42 encased beams, some silica, iron plate. Actually, I need the iron plate. Come back here. Steel beams, reinforced iron plate. I might need to keep that too. Keep that too. I need that many iron plate though. Rubber, and some alien bits. I did also get 21 upgrade things, but I gave them directly to the chunk.
Upgrade things, she says.
Power shards. Oh, we probably have the frames for that milestone if somebody wants to come grab them out of the box.
Which box are they in?
One of the 2 big boxes.
Got him.
I don't remember what that milestone gives us.
No, I'll make one.
Or are we short 1?
Yes.
Milestone reached. After several pioneers started exhibiting traumatic responses to power blackouts, Fixit developed mitigation tools recommended by your local therapist. Power storages can hold excess power to delay or prevent blackouts in the eventuality that your factory's power consumption exceeds production. To simplify, these are rechargeable batteries. Power towers carry power lines for significantly greater
Power
distances,
towers!
facilitating factory expansion and exploitation of this environment for the good of Fixit and humanity.
Excuse me, Chunk Friendo.
Yes, bot.
There you are.
Chunk is where?
Oh, you didn't see the message pop up.
What?
Billboards have been purchased, sir.
Ah, excellent.
Power towers are new, aren't they? Those are cool looking.
No, we had them.
I don't remember them.
Oh. It's the power tower and the power tower platform. Yeah, 2 different things. Okay. Dude. Yes. How far can you string power cables between these things?
Good and far.
Cool.
Ah! It's just that and power storage that we got.
Yeah.
We need oscillators to make the large billboards.
Okay.
Well, we got quartz.
Do we have the ability to manufacture those yet?
I think so. Yeah, crystal oscillators.
I mean, they could be
only-
made in the.
Only in the crafting bench.
Hmm?
You can only make them in a crafting bench currently. Because it's
Yes.
free objects.
Yes, but they can be made.
They can be made.
I'm gonna put this here, and Chonk may place it wherever he wants to.
Why's the concrete thing? Oh,
Oh,
because
please
Chunk
hold.
maybe.
Chunk is moving it.
Okay.
I need concrete to come out of it now. I like to move it, move it. I like the sonic boom from the freighter reentry. That's cool.
Yeah.
Mm.
I love watching the freighter land. It's very SpaceX. Alrighty.
I think there's anything else we can do until we feed the.
Yeah, we are done with milestones until we satisfy the space elevator gods.
Mm-hmm. Rotors and reinforced iron plate. Steel beam and modular frames. And what's the other one? Automated wiring. Stators and cable. And status. Could be steel and copper, or rotors and. No. Sorry, it is steel and copper. So let's see what we've got for status. Status.
Are you okay there, Chonk friend?
Yep. Concrete storage has been reconfigured.
What's with the hole right in front of it?
It's a hole, sir. It's for whole things.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Mystics on a 7-stream streak.
Nice.
Mystic probably has more bits than I do. Dime bits, that is.
Ow! I'm sorry you don't feel good, Mystic.
Oh no. It's alright, we've been...
Something tells me Chalk may leave this sign like this.
Probably.
Do we need another day since last incident sign?
Can we just not leave it right there?
Nice, Mystic.
You can put it wherever you want.
Well, I put it there so you could deconstruct it and put it where you wanted.
I have 890,000 dime bits.
I have infinite dime bits.
Yes. That's because you are the dime bot. You are the creator of dime bits.
I have 702,000.
Dime, do you want to be part of an experiment?
Absolutely not.
What is your your experiment, Bippus?
I want to know if this is permanent, so I don't want to do it here.
What is it?
I picked up some fun things that go boom.
You said you want to know if it's permanent?
Well, this will do.
Oh, the gas bombs? Oh, she's really cackling over there.
Yeah.
But you have a gas mask.
Alright, we have production and storage of encased industrial beams. I've also brought in some storage of just regular old steel beams too. Just so it's going somewhere.
We're gonna need the steel beams for for the space elevator.
Yeah. Yeah, now we're going fast. That tube is great.
Hey! I thought I got stuck for a bit, but nope, I'm human. Oh, yep, that's a great tube. Oh yeah, I was gonna check if you guys actually did look at that thing or not.
Forgot I wasn't full health there. Oops. Take all.
Ah, did you die a horrible death, sir?
It wasn't too horrible, but I have placed your sign in an appropriate location.
You have looked from here.
I have seen. It's wonderful.
Hey, Bit? Bit? Come here, please. That's quite the stack there. What's that going to be? Ah,
In case industrial beam, sir.
yes. We will need many, many, many of those.
Once we get Mark IV conveyors, we'll need a hell of a lot.
Hello.
The ground beef has not thawed.
Oh, I'll go get some. Hey, we have created some inspirational signage for Bennis in our factory.
Okay.
Are you ready to see?
Sure. Do no question the trunk.
Oh, it has a typo. I can fix
Good
it.
job.
Typo?
Teacher Bit says fix the typo.
Teacher and me will not allow that.
Let me-
Bible has failed bits class.
Yes.
huh?
You should have your Satisfactory mug while you're playing.
Do you see me over here?
Still!
I will get my Satisfactory mug and have some Satisfactory coffee out of it one stream, I promise.
Or just tea
Yeah.
and water.
Is the steel production line having a problem, or is that conveyor belt still being fucky?
That conveyor belt has just been redone at this end.
Oh,
So there's
okay.
just going to be a gap. It's all on its way back.
Okay, I just walked by it and was like, not again with this shit.
Yeah, I've begun slapping down 8 more coal generators.
Okay.
Or sorry, 6 more.
You need to give the bit a hug.
Over here.
There. Is that better, Bit?
Do not
Bippus.
question the junk, inferior bipass.
Bippus.
Wow, did y'all
I've
hear
been
that?
productive. I am
Yes.
a productive
I
bipass.
don't know where that exit
I need you to come take your sulfur box, Bippus.
Okay.
Is that your only sign?
Please.
Yeah.
Here's your sign.
I forgot to get in the tube properly.
Nice. With the square wheels.
Look. Oh, and we discovered it only turns right.
Oh, that's even better.
It's hideous. But I have this.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Forgot about what?
You can middle click on buildings to grab whichever building it is to build more.
You what?
I said there's a gerbil in the engine.
There's a Chester in the engine.
No, Chester's too big.
Hello?
And I need you to reroute this to somewhere else, please. I must put a generator here.
Hang out. Whee!
Yeah, you're gonna have to come help or take. Never mind. Did you actually empty your inventory before coming down here?
Yeah.
I was expecting her to leave a giant box of sulfur there.
Alright, so what are we doing?
She's got a sulfur line back there that needs to get routed somewhere.
Sulfur line. Oh. Hold on, Ben.
Just gonna.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm holding on. I was just holding on to a bit.
There.
What? That is a wall.
Do I
What?
have to spell everything out for you?
Yes. Oh, you want me to route it over? Okay. Conveyor belt is too steep. Why is there a box here? Oh, it's that steel that I should be able to pick up. Why have I got so much shit in my inventory again? Oh, fuck.
What you're trying to do is going to be better done from the end of the conveyor belt you already have.
Why?
Okay, if it works, it works. Now,
Something, I don't know what.
huh?
I don't know where to go from there, though. Oh, I've fallen down a hole.
Exit pipelines can contain any fluid, including the water necessary for coal-powered generators. Note: water does not flow upwards by itself. While water extractors provide some lift to truly define
Too steep or not enough
consider
materials?
the use of pipeline pumps.
Venus.
No, the game just doesn't like me.
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw.
Get in the tree.
It's obnoxious.
There. Is that enough out of your way now, Looney?
Yeah, but now I've got an annoyance to deal with.
What's that?
This fucking power plant is like a few inches lifted above the others because of that little sliver of ground back there at the back of the foundation.
There's legitimately nothing you can do about that.
Yeah. It might mean that I need to... Unless that connects, which I doubt it will.
Ben, are you trying to... Do you want another foundation there, Ben, to see if it'll snap the way you want it to?
It won't snap the way I want it to, but also, Chonk. Okay, Chonk's gonna hate that.
Chonk hates
I
everything.
mean, the foundations can all be removed once it's done.
That up. How's it expecting that to snap?
But yeah, once it's built, all the supporting architecture can be taken down. The beauty of Satisfactory.
Yeah, fuck it up too. Oh, I've fallen under the thing.
All right, Ben. Now pick up your containers. Minutes. Hold down control to snap it.
I know how to play the game.
I mean, I've watched you fail at placing this thing like 3 times, so I'm questioning. He's still off.
I was holding control. Let's do it from here then. There we go. And I was going to say, Chunk's going to hate the way that you put those foundations squiffed to the rest of them.
What foundations?
Well, the containers squiffed to the floor.
Swift?
Squiffed.
I honestly don't think he cares that much right now.
Chunk is busy.
Oh, stretch.
What are these clean pipelines?
What do you mean?
They're clean. They don't
I
have
have-
shit on them.
I have pipeline Mark 1 and clean pipeline.
Where do you see clean pipeline?
In my logistics menu under pipelines.
The hell is that?
Oh, it doesn't have the external indicator is what it is.
Eh,
An aesthetic thing.
but
Yes.
I guess. Yeah.
I'm not saying we should use it. I just was like, what is that?
Did I land this up right underneath? Yes. No? Shit. That's obnoxious. But easily resolvable. We might lose power. We'll see.
It's fine. All right. So we're starting to get massive storage of encased steel beams, concrete. Oh yeah, we've got a finished hard drive. Molded steel pipe. 5 steel ingots, 3 concrete for 5 steel pipe.
Interesting.
Or 8 iron and 2 copper for 15 iron ingots. That could fuck off.
Yeah, that's weird.
You want to rescan?
Yeah.
Oh, I remember this recipe. Both of these, actually. Fused quartz. 25 quartz, 12 coal for 18 quartz crystal. Steel cast plate. 1 iron and 1 steel for 3 iron plate.
Jeff, just pick one. They all kind of suck.
Yeah.
All right, now I just have to get more water, which is easy enough.
Agua.
Tool belt expanded. I compounded sulfur's tristatic atom matrix into a quadrimensional gate vortex. You can now carry more stuff.
Right.
More pockets.
I love my pocket dimension. All right. Huh, well, damn, I've got the stuff to research stun rebar.
Nice.
Yeah, but there's a hard drive being processed.
Ah, balls. I need one single rotor. See if I got what I need to make one.
One single rotor, you say?
Yeah, I got plenty. I can make 40. And I'm putting in the water extractors for the new set of plants.
Ah.
Ow.
I forgot that it would do that. That's the one.
What do you mean? You forgot it would do?
I forgot it would instantly ragdoll. That's the one redeeming quality of that gun.
Don't make me fart on you. It's surprising you don't spill your coffee doing that.
I am a master coffee drinker. This is looking pretty cramped down here, Chunk.
Yep. But it's gonna look good on the surface.
That's all that matters.
Strong efficiency.
Do not question the Chunk.
I'm not questioning the chunk. I'm impressed by the chunk.
Floor hole. Can a pipe make that turn?
We're gonna find out, aren't we?
It sure can.
It is very, very claustrophobic down here, sir.
Hang on, let me hook up the other water extractor before I forget. Hook it up to power. I'm just gonna mark a bunch of these power poles out here.
Probably not a bad idea.
I have a squashy left.
No, that's not gonna work.
Candy.
Those 4 holes have to get relocated. Up there. No. There.
We. All right then. How's this quartz container doing? Filling up slowly.
Was that the actual power grid?
Yes, sir, it was.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Disconnect the hypertubes.
Got it.
And then try again. There we go. I need to rewire the hyper cannon at this end because it's a bit of a spaghetti mess right now, and it's also like the main power for this area is routing through the hyper cannon power line.
So you can't disconnect it.
Yeah, That's why I was like, hang on a minute.
Yeah, technically at
That-
this end, the first 2 tubes are still powered because that line still connects to the some stuff over there.
There we go. I'll have the new power plants back online in a sec.
Okay. Well, you could actually, I think. Yeah, the hypertube could be cut out of the loop completely with one cable if we had wired from my floor connectors all the way across. It's really this last machine down here though that's hooked up to it.
Yeah, and it was just like the main bulk of them that needed to be disconnected.
Yeah. Once we have nuclear power, it will not be an issue.
Wahaha. We don't have an oil power yet.
Yeah, and I have a feeling we're a good ways away from oil. Like distance-wise.
We need to feed the what can we see? We can't even look at the milestones until we upgrade the thing, can we? No.
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 I just need to build some pumps, and then I've got the new power online.
Yeah, tier 5 is oil processing. Could you not?
I'm trying not to, but you're stuck to me. I've stolen a dye pot.
There. Fuck's sake. Yep, tier 5 will give us oil processing right off the bat. Well, not quite right off the bat. It costs 500 steel plate, 500 copper sheet, 50 motors, and 100 industrial or encased industrial beams, but it's not that expensive.
To the ma'am.
Why are you going to the ma'am?
Research complete.
I don't trust you.
We got molded beams or steel screws.
Ugh. What are the recipes, Venice?
24 steel, 16 concrete makes 9 steel beams. 1 steel beam makes 52 screws.
Neither one of those are worth. Looney, rescan?
What? I can't hear you over the cold generators. Hang on. Say it again.
24 steel, 16 concrete to make 9 steel beams, or 1 steel beam to make 52 steel screws.
The screws are interesting, actually. Grab that.
Okay.
Stun rebar ammo unlocked. This applies a moderate electric charge to the target, capable of stunning small creatures and moderately delaying larger ones. This is quite, atomically, exciting. That was a physics joke.
Where are you, Bennis?
Nowhere.
Bennis, where are you?
Nowhere.
Hold still, Bennis. It's for science. All right.
All right, the new power plants are up and running.
Thank you for joining us, folks. We will be back tomorrow. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There we go. And we were just shy of 2 gigawatts of production.